Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 54 of our challenge, Posting and Scheduling Your Videos. In this challenge, you will learn how to make your video live and we will review how to schedule it so that it can go live at a future date or time. Before we do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon to make sure you get alerts. Let's get started. Yesterday we left off by adding cards and we were in the visibility section of the video uploader. So I want to go ahead and hit next and this will take us to the posting and scheduling area. Now you can see it says visibility at the top and we're in save or publish. So you have a couple of options here. You have private and you can see right underneath these there's a little description. So only you and people you choose can watch this video. So that means that you would have to allow people to see it if you mark it private. Unlisted means anyone with the video link can watch the video, meaning you can post it, but unless you provide the link specifically to somebody, they won't be able to see it. And then public means that anybody can see it. You also have a set as instant premiere, and below that we have schedule. So I'm going to go over schedule first, and then we'll talk about premieres. So if I go ahead and hit schedule, you can see I now have a calendar and a timeline that pops up as well as a time zone. So I want to schedule this video to go out on a different date. You can see today's August 22nd as I'm recording this, and you can see that it's suggesting that I send it out at midnight tonight is just the automatic suggestion that popped up in there. So I actually want to put this out. I have a chart on my other screen here. I want to put this out on the 27th. So I'm going to click my calendar, click the day I want it to go out. And as you know, we do our trainings at 7:30 a.m. Central. So I'm going to click the time here, find 7:30 a.m. And then I'm going to go ahead and click my time zone just to make sure that's right and click Chicago. Now I haven't been scheduling mine as premieres and I don't want to just because I'm posting one every day. I think that kind of loses the touch and excitement of a premiere. So what you can do with premieres is you can tell your visibility settings here to schedule your video as a premiere, which means it goes out as a little bit of a different alert to your subscribers, and people can actually get reminders for when it goes live. So if I have a popular class that I'm going to be launching, I'll typically set that up as a premiere, and then I'll post on social media letting people know, hey, I have this great class that I recorded recently, and it's going to be airing at this day and time. Go ahead and click this link to get a reminder, and they'll get an email reminder about an hour or so before that video goes live. The other thing that a premiere allows you to do is for you to have the class up and running and you can be present on your YouTube channel and be there to interact with people as they're commenting on that video. Like I said, in this case, I just want to schedule it. I don't want to make it a premiere. Now, you notice, let me go back to save or publish. We'll do this again. My last option on save or publish was to set it as an instant premiere. Okay? So that means that if I hit set as an instant premiere, when I go live, once I hit the save button, it will be available right away and it will be listed as a premiere automatically. So the alert will go out to your subscribers and the video will go out and you can then still go ahead and comment as the video is playing. I don't typically use that for my business. You might want to do it if it makes sense in yours. And then, like I said, I like to go ahead and schedule, so I'm going to come back and reset my schedule buttons here. All right, let's do that. And I do want the 27th at 7:30 Chicago time. I don't want this one set as a premiere, so I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule. And now my video is going to be posted to YouTube, but nobody will be able to see it until August 27th at 7:30 a.m. So that is actually going to conclude our training for the day. You can see right here, I got my confirmation that the video was scheduled and the video link. So if I do want to share that to anybody, I can. They just won't be able to see it until that video goes live. So go ahead and tell me in the comments if you plan to use this feature at all. If you would rather use a Premiere or automatically, if you would rather use a Premiere, or if you want to just schedule it so that you don't have to do a video every single day, but yet you can schedule them out to make it easier for your viewers to see them. So if you do some research behind when your viewers are online, you can schedule your videos to hit right before they're active. So let me know if you want to use the schedule feature or use the Premiere feature, or if you just want to be done with your video and post it and have it readily available right when you post. That'll conclude our challenge for today. Remember to join me at 7:30 a.m. tomorrow for our next one. And we are going to be going over how to trim a video in the YouTube editor. I'll see you then.